Hey everybody, welcome to the Coach's Corner Week 10. Boy, it's now just a couple weeks from the very end and some amazing results happening for so many people. Some total transformations, others maintenance. For some it's been a few pounds, just a few that they needed to get ready to kick into summer and all the things that are going on. But it's really been an interesting thing to watch the success of this Agile Fit Challenge and all the pounds. Remember, the prizes, the awards, the pounds, the inches, all of that will come into full fruition in September as we come to Agile World and recognize you for your amazing achievements out there. I hope you're feeling better. That's the one thing out of all of this that I can say is I feel better today than I did the day I started. And that to me means everything, because as you know, we go into this society that we're in and we work so hard every single day to make things happen. It hasn't been easy, that's for sure, but it's been worth it. And for you that are looking at it for the first time, if you're seeing this show for the first time, go back to week 1 of the Coach's Corner. We've got great interviews with psychologists, with trainers, with doctors. There's a lot of information here. 2 fit shakes every single day. 1,500 calories. Make sure you really watch that. Follow the exercise workout program at agilefitness.com. Make sure that's in play. Make sure that your nutrition is where it needs to be. Umi, Exo, Men, they're vital to the success of this. Make sure you've got the energy you need to sustain yourself with Bolt. Make sure you're using the products, mixing them throughout the day, and keeping on to that calorie and portion size, because again, it's all about a way of life from here on out. So good luck with everybody. Stay the course. 2 weeks to go after this one. It's going to be amazing in 12 weeks when you look at the start and the conclusion and say, man, I did it. You're going to feel great. And I'm excited. We're excited for all of you. Congratulations. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you for another week.